Like that's my jam. And all of that is my jam as well.
That's my jam. That's my jam. That's my jam. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel VegFit. This is Priyanka here, your nutrition, fitness and lifestyle coach. आज के वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा के What I Eat in a Day वीडियो का रिव्यू. प्रियंका चोपड़ा is my most favorite actress, not only because the work she has been doing but the way she has led her career. I really adore her confidence on camera, off camera, in interview. It's so great. She has such a great personality एंड मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ी प्रियंका चोपड़ा को कॉपी करूँ, द वे शी टॉक्स और द वे शी कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, द वे शी अपीयर्स इन द इंटरव्यूज. तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा से एंड दिस वीडियो इज रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी क्योंकि मैं प्रियंका चोपड़ा का वीडियो देख के कितनी बार देखने के बाद में अब मैं उसके डाइट का रिव्यू कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर इट एंड आई होप यू आर एक्साइटेड एज वेल. Before we get started with the video, why don't you subscribe to the channel, like this video and do not forget to share it with your friends if you like it. Let's get in.
Hi guys, I'm Priyanka and today I'm going to share with you what I eat in the day. I don't get away with it. I've learned how to sort of hide it in a very creative way.
I really like the way she has said that ki I don't get away with it but I know how to hide it. So exactly what happens with me जब मैं किसी भी वेकेशन पे जाती हूँ and I am just eating without thinking, मेरा बैलेंस डाइट का कॉन्सेप्ट पूरा चला जाता है. तो उस टाइम पे मेरा भी यही होता है कि आई ऑलवेज कैरी इधर सम दिस काइंड ऑफ श्रग और कोट या फिर मैं कुछ लूज कपड़े पहनती हूँ ताकि मेरा जो ब्लोटेड टमी है वो दिखाई नहीं दे.
I love food. I can't help it. Like I live for food. I wake up for food. My breakfast, lunch, dinner is all about food. I have breakfast talking about lunch. I have lunch talking about dinner.
I understand that she's talking about like she loves food. For me, it's slightly a different reason for which I plan for food and I keep thinking about it only because कि मैं 5 or 6 meals in a day consume करती हूँ. If I'm taking my breakfast, I'm thinking, oh, what's gonna be my pre-workout or what's gonna be my lunch. अगर मैंने lunch इतने 3 o'clock या 2 o'clock किया तो फिर मेरा इवनिंग स्नैक भी क्या खाने वाली हूँ मैं. तो आई थिंक आई जस्ट कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट माई फूड थ्रू आउट द डे. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन अ प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ योर मैक्रोज, योर प्रोटीन, कार्ब्स एंड फैट, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू प्लान योर मील्स वेल इन एडवांस. अगर आप एडवांस में प्लान नहीं करोगे एंड यू जस्ट स्टार्ट लुकिंग आउट फॉर फूड व्हेन यू आर हंग्री, एट दैट टाइम इट माइट सो हैपन कि यू जस्ट एंड अप ईटिंग समथिंग अनहेल्दी. और ये मोस्टली होता है तब जब आपके इवनिंग स्नैक का टाइम होता है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स कम एंड टेल मी कि मैं पूरे दिन तो अच्छे से क्लीन ईटिंग में रहती हूँ बट उसके बाद में जैसे इवनिंग स्नैक का टाइम आता है और मे बी इन द डिनर व्हेन आई एम लाइक टायर्ड एंड आई एम हंग्री, उस टाइम पे आई जस्ट एंड अप ईटिंग समथिंग अनहेल्दी. सारे वेजिटेबल्स घर में होने चाहिए, आपका प्रोटीन सोर्सेज होने चाहिए, फ्रूट्स होने चाहिए, यू नो एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी प्लान्ड. अदरवाइज डाइट पे स्टिक करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Like it's important to me when I go to a new city to find the best places to eat. Like that's my jam. So it shows on your body sometimes, especially around Diwali and Christmas. After Diwali and Christmas, though, I always put on weight. So January, February, March, tak it takes me a little bit of time to come back to my summer body.
दिस इज परफेक्टली नेचुरल दैट अगर आप थोड़े दिन के लिए या आप वेकेशन पे जाते हो या कोई फेस्टिवल है, ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन कि आप जो भी खाना घर पे बन रहा है या जो भी फेस्टिवल वाला फूड है, यू गोना ईट इट एंड यू गोना पुट ऑन वेट एंड देन यू नो इवन योर बॉडी रिटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. अगर आप बहुत सारा हाई कैलोरी फूड खा रहे हो, हाई शुगर या हाई सॉल्ट वाला फूड खा रहे हो, तो योर बॉडी इज गोना रिटेन अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. तो आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ विमेन, यू नो व्हेन दे गो फॉर अ डिनर एंड दे ईट हैवी, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दे सी कि हाँ उनका वेट 1 kg या 2 kg से इंक्रीज हो गया है, तो वो थोड़ा परेशान हो जाते हैं कि अरे मेरा वेट कैसे इंक्रीज हो गया, आई हैव टू गो ऑन डाइट. और उसके बाद लोग डिटॉक्स डाइट ढूंढने लगते हैं. दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आपका बॉडी अपने आप ही डिटॉक्स करता है. सो यू बेसिकली डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट anything like this happening कि 1-2 kgs of weight can increase up and down. It keeps happening. It's our body. It cannot stay in shape in the same weight or in same fat percentage for entire year. तो थोड़े से pluses and minuses आते रहते हैं. What we need to know कि how do we manage it, right? So yes, as she rightly said कि after the festival she works a little hard on her diet and on the workout and then she gets back in the shape after like a month or so.
Morning rituals that I do for my health. Coffee doesn't count, no? Okay. Morning rituals I try, there are days, at least thrice a week, I try and like get in like quick workout. You know, you have those apps, no? So I'll say, okay, today is my 8-minute workout and I'll do some 8-minute like something or abs or whatever and then I'll forget the next day. So I'm never consistent with it. But the one thing that I try and do mostly is skip. I love skipping. I learned it really, really well in school, and then I learned it even better during Marycom. So I try and get my cardio in by skipping. It's easy to carry. You have your skipping rope in your bag. It's easy to do.
Isn't that cute the way she says you have those little abs? I would say that coffee should not be the first thing that you put in your body when you wake up. Always start your day with water. Lukewarm water is great. And yes, 8-minute workout, I would say it's really less, and especially I have seen that how fit she looks in movies. So I don't know by just 8-minute workout how is she managing it. I would say that working out should be a practice that you follow, and especially women, when we go later in the age, it becomes even more important that you have to strengthen your body. So exercising is very very important from that angle. Don't see कि exercise करेंगे तो weight loss हो जाएगा इसीलिए exercise करें. Exercise should be a part of your lifestyle. It should be part of your routine.
Usually, I eat like eggs, like omelette, toast, avocado toast. That's my thing. When I'm, or like idli, dosa, poha, or if I'm feeling indulgent, which I did 2-3 days ago while I've been in India. So I do like parathas in the morning. I love stuffed parathas. They're my favorite.
Her breakfast looks pretty good. Most of the day she has like avocado toast or omelette toast, which is good. So it provides you with good amount of protein and good amount of fat. अगर आप eggs खाते हैं तो lot of people say कि नहीं मैं yolk नहीं खाने वाला हूँ. That is not a good practice क्योंकि yolk में healthy fats होते हैं. वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो डोंट थ्रो द योग्स अवे. यू हैव टू टेक इट इन मॉडरेशन, बट यू should not eliminate it completely. And it's not a bad idea to sometimes have parathas in the morning. If you love it, it's okay. I mean, there is absolutely no fixed rule that you cannot have parathas during your diet, or if you're trying to lose weight, you cannot have parathas. If you are having a heavy breakfast, having some kind of stuffed paratha in the morning, then make sure that your lunch is lighter. And then the carb intake that you are taking throughout the day, you have to kind of balance it out in the other meals. But you can absolutely enjoy your stuffed paratha even when you are trying to lose weight or maintain weight or stay in a certain shape.
Lunch, I love ghar ka khana. So when I'm in India, I only eat ghar ka khana, because in America, I get Indian food, but it always comes in dabbas, so it's never like fresh fulkas, and I can't cook. For lunch, I usually have like, I'm doing nachni rotis these days, which is amazing, super healthy, and like tastes good too. And then I have like various things. I love bhindi, I love a dal, I love like aloo gobi. Like I said, I'm being vegetarian right now, so I'm telling you my menu these days. And then I always need dahi. I love having like raita. Achar is very, very important. Salad's very important. Now, when I'm in the US, I usually am not like a sandwich person. I don't like sandwiches, but I'll always do like a roast fish with like veggies. I love a good fresh salad. It's my favorite.
That's fantastic. So, ghar ka khana is always good. All my diet plans that I suggest, I make sure कि जो भी आपका diet है, जो आप घर का खाना खा रहे हो, उसी को how we can improve, how we can balance it out. Thank you for watching my video, subscribing to my channel, and thanks for liking my content so much. मैंने एक हेल्दी नजेस प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है जिसमें मैं आपको ओवर 28 डेज पीरियड आई टेल यू हाउ यू कैन स्टे हेल्दी, हाउ यू कैन लिव अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलोइंग simple daily habits. So I teach you a lot of things around how to eat healthy, how to drink more water, how to avoid sugar cravings, and a bunch of things. So join this program. I run this program like every month. The next month program is launching very soon. The registrations are already open, so go and subscribe for it right away. So you should always have like good amount of dal. Like she said that okay, she likes certain roti, अब उसको नाचनी रोटी पसंद है, तो that is good. If she likes it, have it. There's no harm in having roti, but you should always make sure that you have enough salad, sabji, dal in your meals, and also add some good protein sources in your diet for sure. So if you had like breakfast protein heavy, but then lunch also, you should include some kind of protein food sources. And for vegetarians, I always recommend that you go for either a sprout salad or a soya salad. So mix some kind of soybean and or the moong dal ka sprout in your salad, so it will give you more protein than your usual meal.
Dinner is damn sad, but I always end up eating right before I go to bed, which is the worst thing to do. But dinner, I always start with a soup. I love having like a nice warm soup. And then same thing, what you have for lunch, I usually do for dinner.
Okay, dinners, I also usually keep light, but the one thing that I do not like is that she has her dinner pretty late in the night and then she goes to bed immediately, which is not at all a good practice. It affects your digestion, it affects your sleep quality. So I would always recommend कि at least 1 to 2 hours का gap आपको देना चाहिए from your dinner and to your sleep time. And I usually don't take a very heavy meal क्योंकि dinner को थोड़ा सा light रखना better रहता है क्योंकि अगेन बिकॉज योर मेटाबॉलिज्म इज स्लाइटली स्लो टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द डे, सो इट इज़ बेटर कि उस टाइम पे आप बहुत हैवी मील नहीं लें. यू कैन ऑलवेज टेक कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन, बट ओवरऑल जो कैलोरी इनटेक हो उस डाइट का बहुत हैवी नहीं होना चाहिए. But yeah, Priyanka, you need to work on your dinner part at least. You can always take like a good amount of soup in your dinner, add some kind of protein sources, add some carbohydrates also. Better to add some kind of complex carbohydrates like quinoa, brown rice, or boiled millets.
The time you feel like it, that's the best time to work out, because if you're not feeling like it, then you never will do it fully.
Yeah, she finally said what I always keep saying, and I always keep telling people, what is the best time to work out? The best time to work out is not morning, not evening, not afternoon. The best time to work out is when you feel right, when you can be consistent at it. अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ morning is the time जब आप energetic feel करते हो, you don't have any other work like household work or your official work in the morning, go in the morning. But just because आपका friend morning में जा रहा है तो आपको morning में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You should try to figure out कि which time works best for you, like आपका schedule कैसा है और how energetic you feel at certain time of the day, क्योंकि सबका जो body का rhythm होता है वो अलग होता है. Like I'm a morning person, I'm highly energetic in the morning, so I always prefer a morning workout. But there are people who take a lot of time to get into the day's rhythm, and they are a little slow in the morning, but they feel a lot better towards like evening time. So you can always go for an evening workout if that's the kind of individual you are. You should feel great, you should feel energetic while you are working out, otherwise you're not going to do it in your fullest spirit.
Tequila? I think tequila is super healthy.
No, liquor is not healthy, but if you want to have it, you can always have it like a small portion of it, and occasionally you can always drink.
Makhana, whenever I feel like eating munchies, I'm trying to do like, instead of popcorn, I'll go to a makhana.
Ye makhana is actually a good option for your munchies, and you can always add like homemade popcorn or roasted peanuts. जो घर के बने हुए snacks होते हैं, right? You should always prefer them over your packaged snacks. You have to make sure कि even if you are eating something healthy, like for example I've seen कि लोगों को लगता है कि nuts हैं या peanuts हैं ये healthy हैं, and जब आप खाने लगते हो तो आपको लगता है कि nuts है ना healthy हैं, तो you don't count calories in it या how much you are eating. But nuts are actually very very dense in calories, क्योंकि उसमें most of the nuts is like largely fat, और फैट में जो कैलोरी होती है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होती है. सो इफ़ यू आर हैविंग नट्स एज योर स्नैक्स, बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल ऑफ हाउ मच कैलोरी यू आर टेकिंग इन. बट येस, ऑलवेज प्रिफर होम मेड रोस्टेड snacks over packet snacks.
Lifestyle changes, not having that much coffee. Like I used to have so much coffee. That's definitely helped. Hydration. That's something I never forget to drink water. I'm drinking water all the time, and to finish like at least like, my bottle is about this big. My water bottle that I have, I try and finish at least like 7 or 8 of them in a day.
Great, yeah, she drinks loads of water. It's not bad to have like 2 coffees in a day. On some days you can also have 3, but yes, it dehydrates. It provides a lot of antioxidants to your body, but at the same time ज़्यादा coffee पीने से या ज़्यादा tea पीने से भी आपको dehydration हो सकता है. So you have to make sure that you're drinking lot of water to compensate that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you enjoyed Priyanka reviewing Priyanka Chopra's diet. Awesome, I love it. I'll see you in the next video. That's my jam. Bye.